Hi, I'm Trevor, this is Gforce 4x4 and today we're going to be looking at a 2018 Ford Ranger 3.2 Wildtrak that's been customised, lifted, it's got all sorts going on with it. We've added the Mustang style headlights with the DRLs which look fantastic day and night time. So we've got the Rigid Industry Radiance backlit light pods in amber. We've got the option four-wheel drive steel winch mount bumper which has D-shackle mounts. Also we have got £9,000 winch in there with synthetic rope, all hidden nicely behind the clip-on number plate holder. There you go. We've gone for the Pride Orange Bonnet Scoop, same as the vehicle, with the black stripe down the middle. Right, so lift kit, we've gone for the option four-wheel drive lift kit, which is a 4-inch drop kit for the diff at the front, so it allows the prop shaft still to be connected and run fine. As you can see, it's a full beam across the front. Behind the diff there's also another carrier which we have to cut part of the chassis to fix onto. We've also fitted Pedder's foam cell easy ride shocks for a nice suspension setup, nice ride, and we've also got the option spacer block on top of there. At the side of the vehicle we've gone for the option four-wheel drive side steps in steel. It gives the vehicle an aggressive look from the side. Right, we've used Black Rhino Arsenal 20x12s textured -44 offset deep dish rims, and they've been wrapped in Radar Renegade RT tyres, which are an in-between an all-terrain tyre and a mud-terrain tyre. They're an absolute top all-round tyre. At the rear of the truck we've gone for the option four-wheel drive roll bar and rack. The rack is capable of carrying a 35-inch tyre, so you don't need to carry it around in the bed because you cannot get it underneath the vehicle anymore. We've then gone with the LED rear lights and down to the option four-wheel drive bumper with the D-shackle mounts and also LED rear reversing lights.